Another sunrise,
He's gone.
sunset. Soon it'll all be yesterday.
Hey, it's me, your mailbox was full. There's supposed to be a package delivered, so if you beat me home, answer the doorbell, okay? Bye.
Do today? Why do we choose to chase what we lose? What you want isn't what you have. What you have may not be.
You okay?
You're all keep.
Mitchell?
Good morning.
If I could.
I didn't think you were coming in today. They said you weren't. I am so sorry, David.
Hey, Karen.
You know, cocktails run about $18 a pop here. I don't get it. I have to continue on. You keep your emotions close to the vest. That's good. That's strong.
It's the atmosphere.
What?
It's why the drinks are so expensive. You're paying for the atmosphere. It's the cooking. I didn't love my wife. I know it's sad to say, but now that she's gone, I don't even feel sad. It even hurts.
Why do we choose to chase what we lose? What you want isn't what you have. What you have may not be yours to keep. If I could find love, stop in a park with open arms, I would say all my love.
Well, we gotta tear the whole thing down before they rebuild. Can I help you out? Come on, pal, don't bust my balls, alright? I'll give you $241. Come on, take it. I'll work hard. This guy's a fucking man. He's probably a crackhead.
You miss her?
Could you be my love? Could you be my love? Could you be my love? Could you be her love? Could you be his love? Could you be my love?
Thank you, dude.
Could I be your love? If I could find love, I would start in a park with open arms. I would save all my love in a jar made of sparks, sealed in my beating heart.
Shit, yeah!
If I could find love, I'd stop in a park with open arms. I would save all my love in a jar made of sparks, sealed in my beating heart. Could it be yours to keep? If I could find love, I'd stop in a park with open
Did she tell you she was pregnant? Did you know?
all my love.
You want to know why?